LPT Realty. Welcome to St. Pete. You ready to rock out, tough guy? LPT, you know what time it is. Put your hands together for the reason we're all here. The founder, visionary of this whole damn thing, the president of LPT Realty, Mr. Robert Palmer.
Bad with no chaser, with no trouble. Open that way, baby, let's make some moves. Puffing on that gelato, wanna be seeing devil. Gotta do what you gotta believe.
How we doing? Who is excited to be here today?
No plans to leave it. Tell all of your friends to be here.
This is so fantastic.
We ain't gonna sleep all weekend.
Oh, I love all you guys. So proud to see everybody here. So glad everybody came out to support us, our 1-year anniversary here at this amazing venue. I was sitting backstage and Davey was getting some B-roll. Wanted me to open up. He said, man, tell me the truth. Are you nervous? I said, Davey, I'm going out there to hang out with 1,000 of my friends, my family. Why would I be nervous? These are our people. This is LPT Realty. No, I'm not nervous. Now, there will probably be a size when I am. When there's 10,000 of us, 100,000 of us, maybe. But today, I'm so excited to have all of you here with us today because we are a family and we are building something amazing. Our good friend Larry Bird did a great job. That was a fantastic opening speech. I'm going to be having some conversations with him throughout the conference. He's going to be perched up in one of these balconies up here. That's going to be exciting. But we've got an action-packed couple of days for you guys, followed by the races. As Matthew mentioned, we want you to spend time together. This is not just about our content. You're all here together in St. Pete. It's an amazing city. The downtown is on fire. It's race week. Everyone is excited to be here. LPT City, right? This is us right now. This is our town. And so, go out there and have fun together. Grab somebody you don't know. Have an impromptu lunch and a mastermind at a local pizza place or a local restaurant. Huddle up with somebody and make relationships. We're cloud brokerage. We don't get together all that often. We're not all in one city. We don't all go sit in a single market center or a single brokerage together. But we get to come together now and be a part of this amazing thing that we are all building together. So make the most of your time. Make new friendships. Have those impromptu meetings. Pick up some of our amazing breakout sessions. Make sure you catch the general sessions. We've got some amazing special guests coming in this afternoon. We've got a whole new great lineup for tomorrow. We're going to have a lot of our agents featured on panels and teaching those breakouts. When we first mentioned on Motivation Monday, by the way, who enjoys Motivation Monday? All right. And if you're not tuning in every Monday, I would encourage you to make that a part of your schedule. If you find someone here who's not watching Motivation Monday, make sure you encourage them to come be a part of that, because that's really become a big part of how we communicate the brokerage pulse. It's I'll come on and share information, Matt Hodge. It's really the best place to find out what's going on and what's coming up inside of our LPT community. And so when we first put the message out that we wanted agents to come be a part of this event, to speak on panels, to host breakout sessions, we asked that they submit a video and an essay. And we actually had 40 agents do that. And I was so proud to see that many of our agents be willing to come and participate and help share their knowledge. So let's give a round of applause for all of our agent participants for this conference. We're going to get into our first panel this morning. We're going to talk a lot about marketing and leads and technology later today. Tomorrow, we're going to get into growth, how much we've grown as a brokerage. We'll be officially announcing our exact agent count during tomorrow morning's session. That's like something everybody wants to know. That's going to be coming out. We'll put that up on the big screens. And then tomorrow afternoon, we're going to be sharing a lot of new technology and new innovation that we're launching as a brokerage inside of Connect, related to listing power tools, things to help you sell more homes, things to help you be more successful in the face of what's been a pretty hard real estate market. You know, we had the vision to launch LPT Realty into a constricting market, but we didn't think it was going to be quite as bad as it was. You know, we didn't think interest rates were going to go all the way to 7 and ping pong around and continue to cause pain. We didn't think we would see the number of customers who are canceling contracts on new construction or backing out of deals later. There's a lot of things we're having to deal with right now as an industry. And look, and Florida has it pretty good. There are parts of the country that definitely have it much worse. There are pockets where we're still seeing a lot of activity, but things are nowhere near as good as they were, and they are honestly worse than we thought they would get. And so we're very focused on how do we help you overcome that? How do we help you offset that? How do we continue to build tools and marketing products and things inside of listing power tools and technology so that you can do more business, so that you can take market share, so that you can outshine your competition and win at those listing appointments and win at those buyers appointments and make more business for yourselves, your family, and for this brokerage. And that's what we're most focused on. And I appreciate each and every one of you for the feedback you give us, because that helps drive us into what we are building.